When it comes to oral health, many people often turn to store-bought products such as mouthwashes and toothpaste. But did you know that natural solutions can be just as effective in combating plaque cavities and gingivitis? In this video we dive deep into how nature can help you maintain a healthy mouth and smile, all without harsh chemicals. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth after eating and drinking. If not removed regularly, it can harden into tartar, leading to gum disease, cavities, and even tooth loss. Cavities are small holes that form in your teeth as a result of decay. Gingivitis, on the other hand, is the early stage of gum disease and can cause swelling, redness, and bleeding gums. Why choose natural solutions? Natural solutions are not only effective but also safer for your overall health. Unlike many commercial products that may contain chemicals, preservatives, or synthetic ingredients, natural remedies focus on healing and protecting your teeth and gums in a more gentle manner. For those with sensitivities or who are looking for a holistic approach to oral care, nature provides a wide range of effective treatments. 1. Oil pulling for plaque and gingivitis. Oil pulling is one of the oldest remedies, dating back thousands of years. It involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties that can help reduce the harmful bacteria in your mouth. Regular oil pulling can prevent plaque buildup, reduce bad breath, and even aid in reversing early signs of gingivitis. 2. Baking soda for cavity prevention. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that helps scrub away plaque without damaging your tooth enamel. It also helps neutralize acids in the mouth, which can prevent the formation of cavities. Mix a little baking soda with water to form a paste and brush your teeth with it once or twice a week for best results. 3. Aloe vera for gum health. Aloe vera is well known for its soothing and healing properties. When applied to gums, aloe vera gel can reduce inflammation, soothe irritation, and help with healing in cases of gingivitis. It's a natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent, making it an excellent addition to your oral care routine. 4. Green tea for stronger teeth. Green tea contains catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that help fight inflammation and reduce bacteria in the mouth. Drinking green tea regularly can help strengthen your teeth, reduce the risk of cavities, and even promote healthier gums. 5. Clove oil for pain relief. Clove oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for tooth pain. It contains eugenol, a natural anesthetic and antibacterial agent that can numb the affected area and reduce infection. For anyone experiencing tooth sensitivity, clove oil can offer temporary relief until you're able to see a dentist. 6. Saltwater rinse for gingivitis. A saltwater rinse is a simple and effective way to reduce inflammation and bacteria in the mouth. Rinsing with a mixture of warm water and salt can help soothe swollen gums, reduce bacteria, and promote faster healing for mild cases of gingivitis. It's an easy and affordable method to incorporate into your daily routine. 7. Diet and its role in oral health. Your diet plays a significant role in your oral health. Sugary foods and drinks can contribute to the development of cavities and plaque buildup. Limiting sugar intake, especially sticky or acidic foods, can greatly benefit your teeth. Instead, focus on foods that are rich in calcium and phosphorus, like dairy products, leafy greens, and nuts, which help strengthen your teeth. 8. Brushing and flossing. Still the basics. While natural remedies are great for maintaining a healthy mouth, nothing can replace the basics of brushing and flossing. Brush your teeth twice a day with a soft bristled brush, making sure to clean all surfaces including your tongue. Flossing is just as important, as it removes the food particles and plaque from between your teeth that brushing alone can't reach. Conclusion: nature provides us with a treasure trove of solutions that can help maintain healthy teeth and gums. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily oral care routine can not only help reduce plaque, prevent cavities, and treat gingivitis but also promote overall better health. Remember, while natural remedies are effective, it's important to maintain regular dental visits and practice good oral hygiene habits. If you're looking to improve your oral health naturally, watch this video and try out some of these tips. Your smile will thank you. If you are still watching, then you are very serious to improve your teeth and gum problem, then you are at right place. Here's something special for you. Listen it with very carefully. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.